I'm a really fortunate guy. That's who I am. Very, very fortunate. The doctor came back and said, "Sir, I got bad news. You have squamous cell carcinoma, and it's cancer, and you've got to get it treated."
So many patients like Jerry who are young, healthy, active, robust people with a life-threatening malignancy.
He brought up clinical trials right away. He said, "For your type of cancer, there's a clinical trial that's going on right now. I encourage you to consider it, to look at it, and answer any questions."
It is important to ask the question, am I a candidate for a clinical trial? Are there any clinical trials out there that I should be thinking about?
Clinical trials are meant to answer important questions about what is the best treatment. I'll tell a patient, and I truly believe this, that the best therapy that is available for them, for their condition, whether it be cancer or anything else, is going to be enrollment on a clinical trial.
The more I learned about the clinical trial process, the more comfortable I got with it.
Typically what happens in clinical trials is that standard of care, the best care that we know, is compared with something that we hope is better.
And that's what this clinical trial was about, to take the very best treatment that's out there and see if they can improve it.
Once the patient is interested, then that's where CCRP gets involved.
They have staff that will come to our offices, collect the information, consent the patient, make sure the patient understands what they're getting involved in.
They basically help you and guide you through that process.
Colorado Cancer Research Program provides medical support, but also institutional support to have a patient complete a trial successfully.
So they're like the conduit for somebody in Colorado to have access to state-of-the-art clinical trials and state-of-the-art treatment.
There's a lot of work that goes on behind the scenes to make sure this all works, and CCRP does it exceedingly well.
Without CCRP, it would be impossible for my office staff to be able to put people on trials.
For a clinical trial, these scientists and oncology professionals are awesome. They've got this science down. So they need to figure out exactly the best way to treat people, and they're making incremental gains year after year after year, which I've benefited from. I'm very fortunate that CCRP is out there acting as a conduit and helping docs and hospitals and patients.